So in how to trim audio in Adobe Audition. How to trim audio in Adobe Audition. Save this video. I'm gonna go actually multi-track. I like to use multi-track more often. Then here I have this video, and I like to trim this. So to trim, you can, if you see this icon, you can trim from left, from right, or you can also move the cursor where you want, and then you can right click, and here you also have the option to split, or you can also use the command K. So split, command K, as you can see, and I can split now, and I have two videos. And if there's a problem with the window here, with your workspace, your dashboard, your interface looks different than mine, and you don't know what I'm doing here, it occurred to me while I was watching a tutorial. Make sure you go to window here, and then here in workspace, make sure you change to default, or you also click on reset to saved layout. All right, perfect. I hope you found this helpful, guys. Make sure you subscribe for more, and if you have any suggestions for the next Adobe Audition tutorial, let me know in the comments section.